Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile VASAGLE End Table, a C-shaped marvel perfect for your living room or bedroom. This industrial side table, with its sleek metal frame and durable engineered wood top, offers a spacious 19.7 by 13.8 inch surface that's perfect for your laptop, coffee, or even a quick meal. Its smart design allows it to hug the side of your sofa or chair, and you can easily tuck it under your bed for added convenience. Whether you choose to use the rolling casters for mobility or the adjustable feet for stability, this table adapts to your needs effortlessly. Assembly is a breeze thanks to the simple structure, numbered parts, and clear instructions, meaning you'll have it ready in no time. With its sturdy construction and rounded corners, it ensures both durability and safety for everyday use. So, if you're looking for a functional and stylish addition to your home, the VASAGLE End Table might just be the perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.